Hello. Welcome to English Conversation Practice. I'm really happy you're here today. In this lesson, we have one simple goal. By the end of this video, you will be able to introduce yourself in English. Clearly, confidently, naturally. I will speak slowly, I will speak clearly, and you will repeat after me. Let's begin. Every introduction starts the same way, with your name. This is the first thing people want to know about you, and it's the easiest part. But even this small sentence, it needs to feel natural in your mouth. So let's practice it together. Listen first, then repeat. Hi, my name is Sarah. Hello, my name is James. Nice to meet you. My name is Sophia. Now say it with your own name. Hi, my name is... Say it one more time, a little louder this time. Good. That is your first sentence. Simple, clean, confident. The next thing people usually ask is, where are you from? This question comes up in every introduction, at work, at school, when you meet someone new. So let's make sure your answer feels easy and natural. Listen, then repeat. I'm from Spain. I'm from Germany. I'm from Canada. Now let's make it a little longer. Add where you live. I'm from Italy. I live in Rome. I'm from France. I live in a small city near Paris. I'm from the United States. I live in New York. Now, your turn. Use your own country, your own city. I'm from blank. I live in blank. Say it one more time, slowly and clearly. Perfect. You're building your introduction sentence by sentence. Now, what do you do? This is the part where people learn a little more about your life, your job, your studies, your daily routine. Don't worry if your situation is complicated. In English, we keep it simple. Listen carefully, then repeat. I'm a student. I'm a software engineer. I work in a hospital. I work for an international company. I'm currently looking for new opportunities. Which sentence is closest to your life? Say it out loud right now. Good. That sentence is yours. Remember it. Here is where most people stop their introduction. But the best introductions go one step further. They add one personal detail, something real, something that shows who you are. This is what people remember. Listen and repeat. I love learning new languages. I enjoy traveling and meeting new people. In my free time, I like reading and watching documentaries. I'm passionate about technology and design. I'm learning English because I want to grow professionally. Now choose one, or make your own. Say it in your own words. That personal detail, that is what makes you memorable. You now have everything you need. 4 simple parts, 1 powerful introduction. Let's put it all together. Listen to the full introduction first. Just listen. Feel the rhythm. Hi, my name is Sophia. I'm from Italy. I live in Milan. I work for an international company. In my free time, I love learning new languages. It's really nice to meet you. Did you hear how natural that sounded? Not complicated, Not perfect, just clear and confident. Now let's do it together. Repeat after each sentence. Hi, my name is Sophia. I'm from Italy. I live in Milan. I work for an international company. In my free time, I love learning new languages. It's really nice to meet you. Now the whole introduction, without stopping. Ready? Hi, my name is Sophia. I'm from Italy. I live in Milan. I work for an international company. In my free time, I love learning new languages. It's really nice to meet you. Now pause this video and say your own introduction. All 4 parts, out loud. Your name, your country and city, what you do. One personal detail. Don't rush. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Because speaking, even imperfectly, is how you get better. Every single time. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care of yourself and keep going. You are doing better than you think.